Hello, welcome back, tuning into the third update for Easter. So we've done two updates so far, and well, a bit of a confused picture. I did a video which you find on my homepage, the main video earlier today. It's a very confused picture this Easter. The models are changing from model to model, and also from each individual run of the model. So it really is a very confused picture for the end of next week, encompassing that Easter period. So I expect significant changes to these updates as we're going along. I'll do the third update for Easter though in a second. If you want to know why it's such a confused picture, do check out the video on the homepage that we did earlier today. It sort of explains a bit about what's going on in terms of the broader picture. So before I get on with the third Easter update, just about to say about the ads. There's links to articles on all pages. Have a browse widgets and click through the links if there's any articles that you're interested in. Thanks very much for doing that. There's also video ads to most of the page. If you're joking about the content, you watch them, they'll close back up again. It's all helping to pay for gavsweathervids.com. So we're going to start off on Good Friday, Friday 25th of March, just a week away now, a week tomorrow. And, well, this is trying to get us into an unsettled pattern. We've got low pressure in the Atlantic, quite a deep area of low pressure as well, starting to push in from the west, drawing up southwesterly southerly winds behind that. There is a bit of blocking over Greenland, but it's not quite a line right to give us cold conditions. The upper air temperatures are fairly chilly though for Good Friday. It is quite a cool day being signalled there. And there's outbreaks of rain in the west. Some of that's quite heavy, but actually most parts of the country dry through the course of Good Friday. Temperatures, nothing to write home about. Just 9 or 10 degrees in the south, 6, 7 or 8 in the north. We go through to Saturday, and we've got low pressure out in the Atlantic again, trying to move in, but really being held off by the exact alignment of the jet. It's a very, very confused picture, this, with low pressure sort of dumbbelling around in the Atlantic, but never quite able to penetrate into the UK. So again, the upper air temperatures look quite cool, but it's a mostly dry day on Saturday. So that's Good Friday and Saturday, 26th of March, both looking quite dry. Temperatures are lifting up a bit as well, going up to around 12 or 13 degrees in the south. Easter Sunday sees this trough of low pressure sinking to the south of us in the Atlantic, and that's starting to draw up warmer winds from a southerly direction. So this is very different to both the second update that we did on Tuesday and the first update that we did on Sunday. The first update was cold for Easter. This is completely different to that. Here's the upper air temperatures lifting up with these long fetched southerly southwesterlies starting to draw the air up from somewhere around Portugal. Now there is rain for Easter Sunday, so got outbreaks of rain, particularly so in the north and west, less so in the southeast, but it is a more unsettled day. But the plus side of that is that the temperatures are starting to pick up across the country. So all places going up into double digits. The south could be up to 13 or 14 Celsius. And then we go through to Easter Monday, and we're still in this southerly wind. Look at this, the air being drawn up from the Azores, from Spain, Portugal, with low pressure stalled in the Atlantic. It's quite a strong southerly, but it's drawing up some very mild upper air temperatures, some really warm upper air coming up there. The 10 Celsius isotherm is starting to push towards the south coast. That's one of the things that we look at, sort of summer-like temperatures. There is a lot of heavy rain, excuse me, across Ireland, but again, most places are dry. So other than Easter Sunday, it has some showery rain. Generally a fairly dry Easter, somehow emerging from this, despite the fact that low pressure is the driving factor of this Easter weekend. Somehow we get away on this particular update of GFS, well anyway, with mostly dry conditions. But the main thing is the temperatures pushing up. These are the temperatures that Easter Monday going up to at least 15 or 16 degrees. Some places could be up to 17 or 18 Celsius there. That's into the mid-60s Fahrenheit. And that would be very, very nice for anybody going to the coast for Easter Monday. You really would have a very pleasant day away from Ireland, where there's a lot of heavy rain moving in. It's all on a knife edge though, but low pressure is so close to us in the Atlantic that it's a very, very thin line between just about staying dry and seeing those temperatures pushing up or seeing the temperatures pushing up, but having a lot of heavy rain. So I think we would really have to wait and see on that. If the pattern did play out like that, I suspect there could be a lot more rain than that suggests. But the third update is completely different to the first update and the second update. And what we can really take from this, detail aside, it is interesting to see those temperatures lifting up, but what we can really take from this is just how uncertain this Easter period is. So we're going to need more updates to see what happens in terms of the models. It will pick up on the trend and run with it before much longer now. So we're probably going to do the next update, I will think, over the weekend. Could be Saturday, could be Sunday, not sure. But there'll be another update over the weekend. And I reckon the model is going to get the trend very soon now and we'll run with it. So maybe this is the way things are going to go. We'll wait and see what we see on the fourth update. Right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.